Time for brakes. Okay, 28,000 miles. Just popped her cherry. First brake job. And yeah, buddy. These things are garbage. I caught it well, I actually didn't catch it in time. I dug into the rotor, but I have new rotors and brake pads. Oh well.
Atlantic City.
Uh-huh.
I had the van.
Uh-huh.
I locked up the brakes.
Uh-huh.
Van came to a perfect stop. All four wheels.
Uh-huh.
Smoke came up. It was awesome.
So you're proud of that?
It was great.
Yeah.
It was
Okay.
great.
He's
It was
proud of
right
that.
in front of Caesars.
Okay.
It's like the old smoky cars.
Yeah.
I want to do that on the boardwalk.
I'm wiped out right now. Tom's taking over the brake job right now.
That's right.
I'm fucking tired.
That's right. The old man steps in, baby. Piece of shit, Dodge.
Well, what do you own? And a Dodge too.
Don't count. All right, make sure they're torqued.
All right. Hey, it's your boy Model 72 with another review. I'd like to review these Duralast gold brake pads from Autozone for the Challenger Chargers without the Brembo brakes. This is right off the bat, this is a great upgrade. I replaced the front brakes on my 2016 Challenger RT. This is supposed to have the upgraded brake pads, supposedly. I don't know if it's bullshit from the factory. And I blew through these brake pads in about 28,000 miles of total garbage. Rotors were warped, so on and so forth. So went down to local AutoZone. I asked them, what do you got? And they came up with the Duralast. Let me go pull up the part number here. Duralast Gold Brake Front Rotor at $78.99 a pop. Part number 43087DG with a 3-year warranty. These are what they call the high carbon formulation, and this is supposed to minimize noise and enhance performance. Okay, whatever. Then I went, instead of going with the super duper like track brake pads, I did the next best thing, which was the Duralast Gold, part number DGC1058PM with a limited lifetime warranty. I chose these semi-metallic brake pads because in the description it says it's an OEM upgrade or extreme application like pursuit, fleet, or towing. So I figured, hey, if it's for pursuit, fleet, or towing, this has got to be for me, the way I drive. And it also describes in the descriptions, which you can pull up yourself, it says it's supposed to have a longer life, less fade, and also whatever. It's supposed to be an upgrade. Yeah, okay. I've had these on the car for about 5,000 miles, and unfortunately I lost all the video that I have of me installing the brake pads, and so I can give you like a complete video, and that's why I'm kind of doing a voice overview right now. Right off the bat, excellent upgrade for you non-Brembo guys out there for the RTs and the Charger Challenger platforms. I noticed right away at the brake pads were more responsive. They how would I explain? They grip better, or I mean, they have the initial bite better. So that means we just tap on the brake, you can really feel them grabbing, bring the car down right away instead of it kind of like slowly, I don't know, less responsive per se. And these have actually are a pretty good upgrade. I would recommend them to anybody who wants to do a brake upgrade or replacing brake pads instead of going with like a factory style brake pad or rotor. Go right to your AutoZone, pick up a couple of rotors, a couple of brake pads. They're always in stock there. You don't have to wait in the mail for them or anything like that. And yeah, 2 thumbs up. Talk to you later. Bye. Wow, you actually made it to the end of the video. Click that subscribe button for some more wacky content. And that little bell too.